How to remove account from Outlook Mobile. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove an account from the Outlook app on your mobile device, whether you are using Android or iOS. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Outlook app on your phone and make sure that you're logged into your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, simply tap on the profile icon shown in the top left corner of the screen. And once you tap on it, a pop-up menu will appear. From that menu, simply tap on the gear icon shown in the bottom left corner of the screen. And once you tap on it, you'll be prompted to the settings section. From here, you simply have to scroll down and tap on the option labeled as accounts. And now here in the account section, you can see your account. So simply tap on it. And once you tap on it on the new page, as you scroll down, there you can see the option labeled as remove account. So simply tap on that and a confirmation message will come up. From there, simply select the option that you like, and after that, simply tap on remove. And that's it. That's how you can remove account from Outlook Mobile. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.